plug, getting to 100 is almost too easy. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I did this small vlog setup, but I'll keep it short. Today's video is going to be about installing this little thing on my interceptor. So about a few weeks ago, I contacted Way Too Speed, Melvin, and he was kind enough to send me this booster plug. And it's a pretty neat thing for enhancing your performance a little bit. But yeah, today's video is going to be installing upon that. But before we get to it, let me give you a bit of context. I mean, I know a lot of you had seen my installation of the air filter video, and you guys suggested that I should get something as a fuel booster as well, or an aftermarket exhaust, since I'm in no mood to get the exhaust. So I thought, why not invest in a booster plug? Now, I know a lot of you out there might be saying that, oh, a booster plug is not the way to go about it. You should rather get a power commander. But I did a bit of a reading and a little bit of research. So, to be honest, I'll give you an example. Imagine your bike's ECU is a painter, right? You're okay with the painting. It's just the layer of the paint is a little thin. If you get a power commander, you transfer all that control to yourself. I mean, it's all up to you to adjust all the small settings in the motorcycle, which essentially means dropping a grenade in that bucket of paint. It's not a pretty picture, but the paint would be everywhere. It's really for the professional racetrack riders. But as compared to getting a booster plug, I mean, booster plug, what it does is it gives the control to your ECU. I mean, the ECU is painting a picture, a rather good picture, just the quality of the paint would be a little thicker. So the combination of air to fuel would be just that. So that's about it. That's the example. I mean, I think I made some sense. So let me know. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. So for that, you would need to open your box cover like that and unhook your seat. Just put it on the side like that. Let's put these here. And you need to open that with a 4mm Allen key, which I have right here. Let's open it. That's it. Be careful. I mean, the screw is rather small, so it might get dropped somewhere or anywhere. Keep it there, right there, nice and neat. Adjust your seat a little bit. Removing this is pretty simple. Just pull it outwards towards you. I mean, you've all seen my video. Pull it up. And there's a thing. Right there. So this, what you will be doing is, make sure your ignition is off. You unplug that. Give me a minute to figure this out. Or use a leverage of any kind. There. Make sure you clean it, because I love cleanliness. What you'll be doing is bypassing this system. So essentially this would get plugged here like that. It's a decent one. Yep, there you go. Now use this. This is a air sensor, right? You just make sure that this is here. So after that, I just made sure that it's really inside like this, like between this, so that it doesn't make a rattling noise when the bike goes over some bumps and all. So you might get confused. So, and then make sure it's secured inside this right here very nicely. so that the wires do not get entangled, right? And after that, just add some zip ties to make extra sure that they don't rattle or it just doesn't go anyplace else. And make sure the sensor is near the air filter like this, right? It'll stay there, and you use a zip tie to keep your setup neat, right? And there you have it. That's the installation video for this. And then just reinstall the plate back. I mean, it's pretty simple. It'll just go up like that. Press it here. Use your bolts, and then reinstall the seat. Now you might be wondering what this little thing is. I mean, I put some tape here so that the seat doesn't really clash with the paint and messes up the paint. So call me an OCDist. And you're done. Put the panel back, nice and easy, and let's start the bike and let it idle for like 10 minutes or so. And that's the installation video. While the bike idles, let me know in the comments below what do you think about the installation, or your thoughts and comments on the BoosterPlug. And do check out Way2Speed. It's a pretty good website, and Melvin is really helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's me. 3 out.